Is it worth repairing a 5-year-old smart TV? This is one of the most common and confusing questions I see every single day as a technician. And trust me, the answer is not a simple yes or no. Now listen carefully, because the first 10 seconds of this video can save you a lot of money. Many people waste half the price of a new TV on unnecessary repairs. Others throw away a perfectly repairable TV because of fear or wrong advice. This video is made using AI, but every solution you will hear is 100% authentic, practical, and tested in real life. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to decide by yourself whether your smart TV is worth repairing or not. If you face any difficulty, write your problem in the comments and I will try to reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start like a real technician sitting in front of your TV. First thing you need to understand is the age factor. A 5-year-old smart TV is not old. Most modern LED smart TVs are designed to last between 7 to 10 years with normal usage. So age alone is not a reason to replace your TV. The real decision depends on 4 things: the type of problem, the repair cost, the current market price of a similar new TV, and your usage requirement. Let us break this down step by step. If your smart TV does not turn on at all, the most common cause is the power supply board. In technician language, this is called the SMPS board, which means switched mode power supply. For a 5-year-old TV, power board failure is very common and very repairable. In most countries, repairing or replacing a power board costs around 10 to 20% of a new TV price. This repair is usually worth it. If your TV turns on but the screen stays black, yet you can hear sound, this usually means backlight failure. Backlight means the LED lights behind the screen that make the picture visible. Backlight repair is one of the most cost-effective repairs. Many technicians replace only the faulty LED strips instead of the whole panel. This repair can extend your TV life by 2 to 4 more years easily. If your technician suggests full panel replacement for this issue, you should get a second opinion. Now let us talk about one of the most feared problems: the display panel. If your TV screen is cracked, has black ink like patches, or vertical colored lines that never move, that usually means panel damage. Panel replacement cost is usually 60 to 80% of a new TV. In this case, repairing a 5-year-old smart TV is not worth it, because you are basically buying a new TV with old electronics. Next common problem is no Wi-Fi, slow apps, or freezing issues. Many people think this means the TV is dying. But in reality, most of these problems are software or memory related. Before thinking about repair or replacement, try these steps. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset, then select Factory Reset. This clears corrupted cache and background processes. After reset, do not install too many unnecessary apps. Now check your internet connection. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz if your router supports it. 5 GHz gives faster and more stable speed for streaming. Keep your router at least 3 to 5 feet away from the TV to avoid signal interference. If the TV is still slow, understand one thing clearly: smart TV processors are not designed to be fast forever. After 4 to 5 years, apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video become heavier. In this case, instead of repairing or replacing the TV, the smartest trick is using an external streaming device. Devices like Fire TV Stick, Chromecast, or Android TV Box cost very little compared to a new TV. They instantly make your old TV feel brand new. This is one of the most recommended solutions by technicians and Reddit users. Now let us talk about motherboard issues. Motherboard is the main brain of the TV. Symptoms include random restarts, no picture with sound, no HDMI detection, or Wi-Fi not turning on. Motherboard repair can be tricky. Some technicians replace the whole board, some repair specific chips. If motherboard repair cost is below 30% of a new TV and the panel is perfect, then repair is acceptable. But if the cost is more than 40%, replacement is usually the smarter choice. One very important thing people ignore is usage hours. If your TV runs 8 to 10 hours daily, like in shops or gaming setups, wear and tear is higher. If it runs 2 to 4 hours daily, home usage, repair is more justified. Now here is a technician's secret that can save you money. Always ask for the exact faulty part name and price breakdown. If a repair shop refuses to explain, that is a red flag. Good technicians always explain problems in simple words. Another trick is checking spare availability. If spare parts for your model are easily available, repair is safer. If parts are rare or refurbished only, replacement becomes safer. Now let us talk about picture quality comparison. A 5-year-old mid-range smart TV usually still has very good color and brightness. Unless you are upgrading to OLED or mini LED, visual difference may not be dramatic. Many users replace TVs expecting a huge upgrade and get disappointed. Sound quality is another point. Older TVs sometimes have better speakers than new slim models. Repairing keeps that advantage. Energy efficiency is often used as a replacement argument. In reality, difference in electricity cost between a 5-year-old LED TV and a new one is very small. Do not replace only for power-saving reasons. Now let us talk about warranty. If your TV is out of warranty, third-party repair is normal. Just make sure repaired parts come with at least 1 to 3 months service warranty. Another smart trick is partial repair. For example, if HDMI port is faulty, only the port can be replaced. No need to change the full board. Many Reddit users regret replacing TVs because repair would have cost far less. Many also regret repairing panels because failure returned after few months. So decision depends on problem type, not emotions. Now here is the golden rule technicians follow. If repair cost is less than 30% of a similar new TV, repair it. If repair cost is between 30 to 50%, think carefully and check alternatives. If repair cost is above 50%, replace it. Let us also talk about resale value. A repaired TV has low resale value, so repair only if you plan to use it for at least 1 to 2 more years. For gaming users, input lag matters. Old TVs may not support advanced gaming features. If you are a serious gamer, replacement may make sense. For casual viewing, repair is perfectly fine. Now I will answer the main question clearly. Is it worth repairing a 5-year-old smart TV? Yes, if the panel is fine and the problem is power, backlight, software, or minor board issue. No, if the panel is damaged or motherboard repair cost is too high. Before ending, here is one last technician advice. Never decide on the first quote. Always take 2 opinions. Never rush. If you follow the steps in this video, you can easily avoid unnecessary expenses. This is Tech Vibes, where technology meets practical solutions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any problem, comment below and I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thank you for watching. A repaired TV has low resale value, so repair only if you plan to use it for at least 1 to 2 more years. For gaming users, input lag matters. Old TVs may not support advanced gaming features. If you are a serious gamer, replacement may make sense. For casual viewing, repair is perfectly fine. Now I will answer the main question clearly. Is it worth repairing a 5-year-old smart TV? Yes, if the panel is fine and the problem is power, backlight, software, or minor board issue. No, if the panel is damaged or motherboard repair cost is too high. Before ending, here is one last technician advice. Never decide on the first quote. Always take 2 opinions. Never rush. If you follow the steps in this video, you can easily avoid unnecessary expenses. This is Tech Vibes, where technology meets practical solutions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any problem, comment below and I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thank you for watching.